time you're going to have your legal questions answered. Attorney Gilbert Adams is joining us tonight. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thanks for having me.
You're ready?
I'm ready.
All right, here we go. Well, we're thinking of hiring a lawyer for a litigation case. In deciding which lawyer to hire, what are important questions to ask?
Well, you know, this is a very good question. I think there are several questions that anyone should ask a lawyer in considering hiring him. First of all, are you going to be the lawyer? Or in other words, am I going to come and talk to you? Are you going to represent me? Or are you going to pass me off to a senior associate, a junior associate, some lawyer that nobody knows? And so that's first and foremost what I would ask. I would also ask them, have you handled this type of a case before? Is this something you've done, or am I going to be the classroom for it? I would also obviously want to know the fee arrangement. And finally, I would want to know what the policy is for returning phone calls, staying in communication. Those are 4 questions I think I would ask anytime you're considering hiring a lawyer.
Oh yeah, very, very good. And question number 2, the opposing insurance company is telling me I have to give them a recorded statement or they will not pay for the repairs on my car. Is this right?
No, it is not. Anytime you're making a claim for damage that's been caused by someone else, this is something their insurance company is always going to want, is a statement from you. And no, you're not required to give a statement. That's often what sends people to come and see folks like me, is because of these kind of demands. Now, you need to contrast that with the statement request by your own insurance company. You have a duty to cooperate with your own insurance company and may have to do that.
Well, yeah, you can trust your own insurance company for that.
Sometimes you can.
Well, that's true. That's true. And question number 3, my ex is making double the amount of money, but the child support payments are the same. Can I get the child support doubled?
Well, it depends. There's a formula in place for child support. It depends on the number of children. It depends on the gross amount of income.
Right.
And there's a cap. So you can't automatically get it doubled. It may be, depending on where you fall with the number of kids and the cap. Also depends on who's providing insurance. And finally, it's what the judge determines based on the circumstances of the parents, the children, and in relationship to that statutory procedure that Austin gives us.
But it is something that they could look into at least.
Absolutely. There's a formula. It's pretty easy. It should be all over the internet. And yeah, you can get a good idea yourself.
All right. Well, of course, if you have a question you'd like to submit to air on the program, just submit it at asktheattorney@fox4beaumont.com. You can also call Gilbert Adams yourself at 835-3000 with your legal questions. Time to check in with Greg Kerr to find out what they're working on for the 6 o'clock news. Hi, Greg.